Hello, welcome to StoreBounty.com. I will be walking you through our product and the features that we have. So this is a landing page. I'm on StoreBounty.com, and here you see the four major niches that we're targeting: the retail, restaurants and bars, online course creators, and consultants and personal brands. And you see all the features we offer to them by clicking each of these. But I will be logging into the platform to show you the exact features that we have. So I click on login to take me to the platform. I'm already logged in, so this is the dashboard. When you log in, on the dashboard we have quick actions that shows how you can easily navigate to different parts of the project. On the right side here, we have the link to individual storefront for all the merchants that sign up. Every merchant has a unique storefront where they can log in, where, I beg your pardon, their customers can shop on their platform and make a purchase and buy. Pretty much where the products are displayed. We also have a QR code that they can easily download for customers to scan and get on their storefront. On the far left side, we have the navigation menus to each of the features. So I think the most important part to show is when you come under app modules, under settings, you see all the modules that we have on StoreBounty. We have for appointments, expenses, food menu for restaurants. We have marketing modules, and these are the modules we have. Individual business can turn on or turn off each module that suits their business. And when they do so, they will see changes on the side, on the menu on the left side. So I'll go back to the dashboard. One of the prominent things, or the first thing, as a matter of fact, the most important thing to do on StoreBounty is to create an item. Everything on StoreBounty platform starts with an item. Item represents what the merchant wants to sell or the business people wants to sell, be a product, digital product, physical product, service, subscription, event, and ticket, and appointment and session booking. So this is where you select the item types that you want to sell. Depending on the type of item selected, the form to be filled will be different, and each item created will have a unique link where the customers can buy. That's pretty much the product. When it comes to items, I can show under appointments. If you create an item of type appointment, for example, you fill in the images and every detail about the appointment, then you select your availability settings here, the times you are available to the customers to book a session with you, and every other settings are available here. For every other item type as well, you can select whichever one, event and tickets, which will give you the event details, the pricing of the event, and every other thing you needed. And when you come under your bookings, you will see if you have bookings done by people that you need to attend to and stuff. For retail POS, this is for businesses that have retail outlets to use to service their customers in real time. And these are the features that we have. We have for restaurant, where a restaurant owner can create a digital menu that someone can scan at their restaurant and get online. So pretty much all the features we have on StoreBounty by going through. I hope this is enough. We have an intro video here that anyone who needs to get started can watch to get started on the platform. And on the other side, we have the section called business resources, where businesses can get to see tutorials and every other publication that we have, maybe to help them get started, or something to help their business as a whole. It could be a video, and it could be a text like this one. So that's pretty much what we have on StoreBounty. Thank you for your time.